Welcome to Carolina Sculpture Studio. My name's Clint Button, and I'm a granite sculptor. This is the Fort Prince commemorative marker. It was installed in July, dedicated, erected, it says erected, July 4th, 1900. But the polished sphere has been missing for decades. And so we're fixing to remedy that. It's fortunate to find a matching size, hand-carved, antique granite sphere. Came out of Washington, D.C. From a private residence, so it makes it a pretty special way to fix this. It's probably dates to around the same time. The original sphere, according to one news article we found, was polished. This one is still in a coarse surface. I don't know how to say it. It's just a 9-point bush surface, and but we will. This is going to be reset to straighten it, and then we'll install a new ball on top. Check it out. This is the bowling ball that's served as the sphere on top for many years. So we're gonna keep that as a souvenir. Check it out. That'll be a new picture at the studio.
Get that ladder on here.
Which one you want to use?
Yeah.
Which one you want to set down? Up the side?
Toward me. Like that, yeah.
That post up in one?
Oh.
Hard to look at it at an angle, isn't it? Huh?
Wedge. The wedge.
Nah. Nah, we don't. I think we'd be fine.
We're not. Not bad.
Let's try to put some in them grooves like we can already.
I think we're better off tonight. I'll keep
It's all installed. Just gotta wait for it to dry now. But came out came out really good. Fits really well. Really happy with it. Looking great. All right. And the Fort Prince Monument is now back together.
I know that every, it's, I don't know, maybe it's just maybe, that every monument that is done, there's a reason why they design it the way that they do.
And the woman in the black sweatshirt has lived here, been here. This is old family property, and she's familiar with the monument for her entire life. So it's really nice to, you know, have her involved and agreeable. It's quite a stone. So Fort Prince Memorial, Fort Prince Monument is now back together, and it'll stay that way for a long time here in Spartanburg, South Carolina. My name is Clinton Button. I'm a granite sculptor here at Carolina Sculpture Studio. Thanks for coming.